We've seen our town turn into a city and maintain exactly what made it special to begin with. Hardworking family values, the sense of limitless potential, and the quality of its people. If Frisco wasn't unique enough to add to its repertoire is MTR Contractors, a company that began spreading its roots by helping customers like Home Depot, Jack in the Box, and Cotton Patch keep their facilities looking brand new, to construction and remodeling nearly 30 years ago. We found homeowners in our community had the same need for a reliable, professional experience that they could trust with their homes for years to come. But we didn't stop there. Almost 10 years ago, out of our garage in Frisco, Texas, MTR designed the first of 3 luxury backyard and resort products. We're big fans of the beach, but even bigger fans of not needing to go on vacation to be in paradise. Crafted to perfection with 20-year warranty thatch and red western cedar, our umbrellas are 100% waterproof, UV protected, and withstand up to 260 km/h winds. And now they decorate over 200 Texas homes, as well as resorts and hotels all over the world. So whether it's transforming your kitchen,
my kitchen is famous on my street,
or your bathroom, or turning your backyard into everything it should be, our work and the way we treat our customers has earned us a 5-star rating across multiple platforms, as well as awarded us Best of House 2018.
When Albert showed up, it was seamless. It was easy enough for me to say that it was family run, number one. It was a local business compared to somebody that's been franchised out in other places, and that was important. I would absolutely recommend MTR. As a matter of fact, there were a couple other projects that I thought of, and based on the performance of MTR, I'm going to hire them back for some other work as well.
Proving that just like our city, its companies can grow and evolve, but maintain exactly what made them special to begin with. Hardworking family values, the sense of limitless potential, and the quality of its people. Schedule a free estimate today for your next home project, or reserve your synthetic thatch umbrella for the summer season now at mtrcontractors.com. Love your project, enjoy the process.